Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Oh, you can call me Miss Andrea. So, are you ready for today's session?
Ay, yes po.
100% ready na ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Soto, what a pleasant surprise! I'm so glad you finally decided to join our session. Please have a Mukhang maganda mood natin today, Ma'am Soto. May nangyari ba?
Ay, opo. Natanggap po kasi ako sa ina-apply kong trabaho.
Oh, really? That's great! I wish you good luck on your new job.
Thank you, ma'am. Buti na lang po pala, ma'am. Nagpunta po ako ngayon sa session niyo. Totoo po pala yung sinasabi ng iba na mabait po pala kami.
Ng bola pa. Pero salamat, pati na rin sa pagpunta. Nakakatuwa. So anyways, before we start, pakilala ko lang muna yung sarili ko. I'm Andrea Penasitos, and I will be your therapist for today. So today is April 25th, and approximately 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and you are here at Isabel Clinical Center. So in today's session, we will be doing a remotivation therapy. So this is a simple group therapy technique that reorients you and the others to the reality that surrounds us. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa next step or sa first step na gagawin natin, okay lang ba if ipapakilala mo muna yung sarili mo sa akin?
Okay lang po. My name is Naomi Soto, but you can call me Naomi po.
Thank you for that, Miss Naomi. So, ngayon naman po sa ating session, magsaset lang tayo ng mga ground rules natin para maging smooth yung flow ng itong gagawin nating therapy. Okay, so first ground rule natin, of course, you have to listen to me carefully and yung full participation mo, need natin yan para sa akbang na to. So, second ground rule naman natin, para naman hindi ma-interrupt yung session natin, if may concern ka or if may concern kayo or may mga tanong, pwede naman natin i-raise yung hand natin. So, third, kung maaari, iwasan natin ang mga istorbo sa katabi para naman hindi natin na i-interrupt yung session natin. So, lastly naman, mas maganda rin na tatapusin natin yung session hanggang dulo. So, mag-stay kayo dito hanggang dulo, hanggang sa matapos natin yung session na yun. So, yun lang naman. Baka may gusto kang i-add sa mga ground rules natin or gusto mong idagdag.
Wala naman po, ma'am. Okay na po ako dun sa mga rules niyo.
Good. Sige, kung wala naman ikaw mga tanong or concern, hintayin na lang natin yung iba mong kasama bago tayo mag-start. So, I have a few picture here na ipapakita sa inyong lahat and I want you guys to describe what you are seeing or who you are seeing. Ito siya. Can anyone tell me what the picture is? Can someone describe it? Yes, Miss Naomi.
Nurse po, ma'am. Caring for her patient.
Okay, a nurse. So, what made you think that person is a nurse?
Because po, she's caring for her patient na may sakit in a hospital setting.
Okay. For the second one, next naman tayo. How about this one? What do you guys see this time? Yes, Miss Naomi.
So, a teacher teaching her students.
So, paano mo naman nasabi, Miss Naomi, na ito ay teacher or professor?
Because po, nasa classroom setting sila and may teacher po na nagtuturo sa mga kids.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Naomi. So, after hearing all your answers, I would like to congratulate you guys because you are all correct. The first picture is indeed a nurse, and the second picture is a teacher or a professor. So, the purpose nga ng mga pictures na pinakita ko sa inyo, gusto ko lang kayo bigyan ng glimpse of what kind of roles and people we have in our society. Things that people do, and what they're passionate about, and what is currently existing and happening in our society. So, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating question and face, mga tanong-tanong, meron ako ditong hinanda na poems na related siya sa mga picture na pinakita sa inyo kanina. So, dito sa poems na babasahin natin ngayon, ako muna ang magbabasa, and then next, sabayan nyo naman ako, okay? For nurses, A hand that's gentle yet so strong makes feeble hearts beat well and long. A touch that speaks more than words say, bringing the dawn to those in gray. A whisper in the ear of fear, courage, my dear, for I am here. A smile that fills a heavy room, pushing away impending doom. In sterile halls and buzzing lights, you wage love's most courageous fights. And so, dear nurse, you make us see the touch of grace in humanity. Next, kayo naman, sabayan niyo ako. For nurses,
Yes,
a hand that's gentle yet so strong makes feeble hearts beat well and long. A touch that speaks more than words say, bringing the dawn to those in gray. A whisper in the ear of fear, courage, my dear, for I am here. A smile that fills a heavy room, pushing away impending doom. In sterile halls and buzzing lights, you wage love's most courageous fights. And so, dear nurse, you make us see the touch of grace in humanity. Next naman is all about teacher. So, ganun ulit, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, mauunang muna akong magbasa and then sasabayan niyo ako. So, proceed na tayo. Teacher, you're the heart of every classroom, the soul of every school, the mind behind the message that learning is good. Your patience and understanding cannot be undersold. Your courage and commitment is that of legends told. Each day you teach our children is a day to rejoice. Because of you, our children will have their own voice. So thank you, dear teacher, for passing knowledge. Through the years, you thought you were merely teaching when you were eliminating fears. So next naman, sabay-sabay naman tayo. Okay, teacher, you're the heart of every classroom, the soul of every school, the mind behind the message that learning is cool. Your patience and understanding cannot be undersold. Your courage and commitment is that of legends told. Each day you teach our children is a day to rejoice. Because of you, our children will have their own voice. So thank you, dear teacher, for passing knowledge. Through the years, you thought you were merely teaching when you were eliminating fears. Thank you. As everyone walks down to the bridge of reality, we are now heading towards to the third step for this therapy. So we call it sharing the world in which we live in. Ito naman, meron lang akong mga simple question. Hindi naman siya mahirap since based naman to sa experience nyo. So, first question natin is, yung kaninang binasa natin na first poem, did any of you recall some memories that include our nurses here? Anyone? Sino gusto sumagot? Yes, Miss Naomi.
Ako po meron about my sister. Recently she was admitted to our hospital because of constipation due to food poisoning. Tapos po, nang admit po siya, meron pong nurse doon na sobrang maalaga. She's always making sure that she's comfortable and feeling well. Always asking her what she feels and if she needs anything. Also, nakikipag-ano rin siya, nakapagpwentuhan po siya para hindi na siya ma-board kapag wala po kami ng mom ko. And kapag hindi po siya mababantayan. So, yun lang po.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for sharing that, Miss Naomi. Baka may iba pang gusto sumagot. Wala na. Okay, next naman, proceed naman tayo sa binasa natin kanina about sa teacher. O baka, mayroon ba kayong natutunan or lesson doon? Or meron ba kayong naaalala ng mga high school kayo sa mga teacher nyo noon or elementary days? Oh, yes, Miss Naomi, very engaging ka today, ah.
Yes po. So, when I was in elementary, we have this teacher that is super bait and maalaga. She's really treating us like her own children, and that she's our second parent. Always gives us prizes whenever we excel in our studies. Tapos mga palaro na na-enjoy namin sobra. Tapos lagi rin po niya pinaparamdam sa amin na school ay isa sa mga napaka-comfortable lugar for us. So, ayun po, our comfort and safety is always your top priority. Tapos, ayun po, sobrang nakakatuwa lang mag-alala.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Naomi.
Thank you din po, Miss Kim, for letting me reminisce this colorful memories.
Yan nga yung purpose ng therapy natin today. To relive our past memories and show us awareness about what you've been missing out on. So that was very insightful of everyone. Thank you so much for sharing that with everyone in this room. Now naman, move naman tayo sa fourth phase ng ating remotivation therapy. So, or what we call appreciation of the work world. So, in this fourth phase of remotivation therapy, magtatanong ako dito ng mga opinion nyo or mga paniniwala. Okay lang din naman kahit hindi nyo sagutin if hindi kayo komportable sa mga tanong. So, yun nga, start na tayo. So, is everyone ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Then, let's start with you, Miss Naomi. So, kanina, di ba, nagpakita tayo or nagpakita ako ng picture sa inyo ng isang nurse and isang teacher. So, let's focus muna sa first picture, which is yung nurse. So, first question tayo. So, ano sa tingin mo, Miss Naomi, yung role ng isang nurse sa ating community?
I think po, in every aspect of healthcare, nurses in the community oversee the health and well-being of individuals. So, ang health nurse po, feel ko ay marami po silang roles, hindi lang sa clinical duties, but also an educator, health monitor, advocate, manager, researcher, and role model po.
Your answers show how flexible nurses are. Yet, why do you think nurses are still less appreciated here in our country?
So, sa opinion ko po, yung mga nurses po natin are likely to be less appreciated because they are not given the support that they need. Para magawa po yung trabaho nila na mas maayos. So, leading to lack of motivation na nakaka-apekto po sa ability nila to provide quality healthcare to patients.
So much. Third question naman, Ms. Naomi, is how do you think the questions mentioned above help you broaden your perception about the important role of a nurse in today's healthcare society?
Also, for me po, nurses are the foundation of healthcare. So, sobrang importante po ng role nila in providing care, comfort, and compassion para sa kanila po mga pasyente. So, I hope that they receive the support and appreciation they need in order to do their roles effectively.
Thank you so much for that. Those are wonderful answers, everyone. Thank you so much sa mga maganda niyong sagot. So, after mo ma-recall, Miss Naomi, yung mga past memory mo nung elementary days ka, what have you realized?
So, I realized na yung teacher ko po, sobrang importante po ng role niya towards my development as she offers me guidance and support, also shaping and helping me develop important skills and knowledge at a very young age.
Napakagandang sagot niyo, Miss Naomi. Thank you so much for that. So, next naman tayong question is question number 2. How did it change your perspective about the relevance of teachers and professors in today's educational journey?
Seeing some teachers and professors get mistreated and less appreciated as time goes by, so it saddens me because I believe that they play a crucial role in today's educational journey. They've always been an essential part of the young's mind's lifelong learning, helping them navigate complex subjects and develop the skills they need for their future growth and development. So the early years of a child's life are critical. So how they're taught and learned during this period can significantly impact their overall academic and personal success.
Sobrang informative niyan, Miss Naomi. Thank you so much for that. So before we end our session, I would like to know your thoughts about the overall progress of our therapy. So how did it make you feel, or did it open your eyes about the truth in our worlds? Anyone? Yes, Miss Naomi.
So agree po ako sa sinabi niyo. So I did have some realizations and insights on how teachers and nurses had vital roles in our community.
not only mine but in every individual's lives. As I noticed that their profession are undervalued, I'm looking forward to the betterment of our generation to make them feel more appreciated, as this can help them overcome challenges and also help them to create a positive workplace environment.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Naomi. I just want to commend everyone who participated, even those yung mga hindi masyado nagsagot or masyadong nag-participate sa atin, okay lang yan if hindi pa kayo masyadong ready. After all, we are striving for a comforting and safety environment here at Isabel Clinical Center. Now for our next session, it will be on Saturday, same time pa din, same room here at Isabel Clinical Center. And I hope I'll see you some familiar faces and also new voices. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you rin po, ma'am.